today, Ma'am Lucia. Can you tell me about
Hi,
yourself?
I'm Lucia Andres Topas. I'm 46 years old. I live in Antipolo. I, I do have two kids, 15 years old and 26 years old.
Alright, thank you. Then what is your marital status? Are you single or married?
I'm married.
Okay. So, can you please tell me your educational background?
I'm high school graduate.
Okay. And then, do you have any brothers or sisters?
I'm one brother and six sister. I'm youngest.
Alright. So, how would you describe yourself?
Uh, I'm loving, I'm hardworking, I'm honest, and loving care of my kids.
Alright, thank you. Then, may I know your reason why you want to apply abroad?
I'm help my family and save my own money.
Alright. So, do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, I have experience in abroad. 3 years in Saudi Arabia and 2 years in Qatar and 2 years, 9 months in Kuwait.
Alright. So, in first, your experience as domestic helper in which country?
Saudi Arabia, 3 years.
Alright. So, did you finish your contract there?
Yes, I have finished my contract.
Okay. Can you please tell me your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia?
My duties responsibility is cleaning, housing, ironing, and take good care my kids of my employer.
Alright, thank you. Then how about in Qatar?
Same work, cleaning, housing, cooking, take good care of my employer's kids.
And then in Kuwait?
In Kuwait, same work, cleaning, housing, cooking, and take good care of my kids of my employer.
Alright. So, those three countries are finished contract?
Yes, all finished, extend.
Okay. So, are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, how would you take care of naughty children and children with temper tantrums?
Playing, talking, and same walking, and storyline.
Alright. So, how about if the newborn baby is crying at night?
Sleep and take good care to sleep and caring.
Alright. So, what will you do if you become homesick?
Homesick, no homesick.
Alright. And then, are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes,
Okay. So, are you willing to take care of pets, even big dogs?
take care.
So, how do you describe your cooking skills?
I have cooked in past employer in Arabic foods and willing to try to cook in Chinese foods.
Alright. So, you know how to cook Filipino dishes and Arabic dishes?
Filipino dishes and Arabic and try to Chinese foods.
Okay. So, how do you have any food allergy?
No allergy, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes,
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No,
How about smoking?
no,
Do you have any body tattoo?
no, not at all.
Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the children?
Yes,
Are
or
you-
separate.
Okay. So are you willing to wake up very early in the morning or sleep late at night?
Yes, for the work.
Alright. So are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes.
Alright. For the last question, what is your final message to your future employer abroad? What?
Hi, ma'am. I'm sir. I'm Lucia Andres Topas. I'm hardworking, loving, and honest. Please hard me. So I promise to you, I finish 2 years contract. Thank you.